Introducing the Boulder Concept. Please welcome the Executive Vice President and Head of Hyundai and Genesis Global Design Center, Sang-Yup Lee.
Surprise, 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 isn't it? I bet you thought it's going to be a pickup truck, didn't you? For the North American region, we are dreaming big. We are dreaming of vehicles that gives our customers the freedom to pursue their most extreme adventures. Each of us has a unique idea of what adventure means. Boulder takes its name from the Colorado town, famous for being an outdoor enthusiast paradise. It's an appropriate name because whether conquering mountain peaks and exploring refreshing forest, Boulder has you covered. This is not just styling. It is the design built on American values and lifestyle. We have identified the essential and the design tool for our customers to blaze new trails. As Randy mentioned, this new adventure demands a new approach, a new platform, body on frame. Body on frame gives us the freedom to expand this authentic approach to variety of lifestyles. This idea of authenticity also informs how we design those products, embracing the natural state of materials, like steel, and using them to create honest design. This approach empowers us to craft a vehicle that is stronger, not louder. It is not just a concept car. This is the confident declaration of where we are headed. This big dream of body-on-frame design has been developed in our California Design Center. To tell us more detail, I would like to introduce my friend, Head of Design Hyundai North America, Brett Arnold. Please welcome.
Awesome. Thank you, Sang-Yup, and good morning. This idea of ultimate freedom begins with the freedom of exploration, providing our customers the hardware and software for them to feel safe and confident when exploring adventures around the next bend. Whether you're hiking, camping, surfing, or perhaps the more frequent adventure of driving over parking lot curbs at Home Depot, Boulder leads the way with 37-inch tires, impressive ground clearance, and serious suspension travel. To help you explore confidently, Boulder offers software-driven off-road guidance. It's like having your very own digital spotter sitting shotgun. We push further with freedom of movement. Boulder reacts to the user's presence with flexible openings, including a dual hinge tailgate and safari windows that flood the configurable interior with light. Inside and out, Boulder's flexibility supports every moment of your adventure. Finally, freedom of expression. Boulder's accessory-ready platform is an open canvas that you can equip for your hobbies in your style. This designed-in flexibility ensures that no two Boulders will ever look the same. Ultimate customization that encourages the customer to interact with their vehicle. Shifting our focus to the details, Boulder delivers a simple and confident first impression. Even from across the intersection, onlookers can't help but notice our bold, soft pixel lights. Closer inspection reveals the level of passion that our designers poured into Boulder. Passion that creates layers of lasting obsession. It is stronger, not louder. It is authentic and honest. It is the Hyundai Boulder Concept.
Thank you, Brett. Stronger, not louder. So as you can see, we're focused on making the next years in the US the best years. We are dreaming bigger than ever. With body and frame offers leading the way, we will continue to develop and build a desirable product in the US for the US. This is only the beginning. Please stay tuned. We have a lot more come near you. Thank you.
Once again, Jose Munoz.
Well, introducing this Boulder Concept study here in New York feels like a fitting way to celebrate our 40 years in America. Giving our customers more choices and providing more capability for work and play is an imperative for Hyundai and our 2030 plan. As you can see, we're taking this opportunity very seriously. Our production body and frame trucks will usher in a bold new chapter for Hyundai Motor America by reflecting a core American value: freedom. Freedom of movement, freedom of expression, freedom to dream. These vehicles will be rugged, new reflections of Hyundai's commitment to progress for humanity. And now, I'd like to invite you up here for a closer look. But before you do, please give us a moment for a quick team photo. Thank you for joining us.